Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from Binance to your Telegram wallet. It's quick and simple tutorial, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now, once you are on your Binance, you want to click on wallets and you want to be on spot instead of overview, and you want to click withdraw option. Right here, you want to search for Ton and click on send via crypto network. After that, you will need to enter the address right here. So you need now to go to Telegram. On Telegram, you want to either use Tonspace Beta wallet or your Telegram wallet straightly. So go ahead, click on Toncoin, click option receive, copy the address, go back to Binance and enter the address here. After that, you need a memo, but it's not required because you are sending it to Telegram. And also you need to enter the withdrawal amount. After you will enter it, click withdraw option and you will be able to send it to your Telegram. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.